Castillo. I'm here with Hawk Mazda. I'm here with the GM of the store, Mr. Jim Maizinga, going to explain how the My Mazda app works.
Fantastic.
Okay.
All right, Jerry, what's the first thing? I've got now does this My Mazda app work on Apple phones and
Androids.
Android? You need to go to
Your app store.
the App Store. Okay, so see, I go to the App Store and look, it's already there, the My Mazda app. Miracle. All right.
By this time, we would have already input your information, your VIN number, the year of your car, everything. In
So
there.
this would have been personalized
It would have been
already.
all done already.
Okay. All right, so once I go in here, it pulls up a home page of the type of vehicle that I have.
Correct.
In this particular case, a CX-3.
Correct.
Okay, so tell me what else this app does for me.
So what this does, if you go over here to guides, before you leave, we're going to go over the car, but in case you forget something,
Sure.
so I should be able to break everything down here. For instance, from the menus to the guides to how-to video. So let's just say if you want to learn about the climate control vehicle, you would push that on the Touring GT, and then it'll give you a quick 2-minute
While
tutorial
controlling the weather
as far as
outside is
the
beyond your Mazda's capabilities.
Pretty cool.
Okay. So besides videos on useful things that you might want to know, what else does the My Mazda app give me?
This will also let you know if there's any recalls that are coming into your vehicle.
That's
if there's
helpful.
one, it'll pop up and it'll ask if you want to.
But I have to enable notifications.
Correct,
right?
You have to
Okay.
enable notifications. We'll also tell you when it's time to change your oil. You can just schedule it right there. Because we selected driving conditions and we already scheduled the first one, but in case it wasn't done, you just schedule a service for you.
And that's it.
And that's it.
That's that simple.
And for that.
All right. What is this support?
So what this is going to do, this is actually going to contact, so you can contact Mazda, but it'll also give you the roadside assistance and it'll actually call them for you.
Fantastic. So if how long do I have roadside assistance on Mazda?
It's a 3-year, 36,000.
So as long as I'm under the bumper-to-bumper warranty?
Correct.
So if I get a flat tire,
Covered.
if I lock my keys in the car,
Covered.
if I run out of gas,
Covered.
if I pull over the side of the road and decide to have a flash mob party outside, never. That won't work. Okay, won't work. All right. So that's roadside assistance. Now let me ask you one thing about the owner's manual. Can I just throw my owner's manual out? Is this the owner's manual right here?
This will, no, you don't want to do that. You still want to keep the book.
Okay.
I want to keep the book.
But it's got all the information that is in the book.
Correct.
So can I remote start my car from this app?
No, you would have to get a separate app, which is the My Mazda mobile start.
My Mazda mobile start.
Correct.
Okay, well maybe that's something we'll talk about in another video.
Okay.